1, 2, 3, 4. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our fourth project. Let's start it. Let me just say, stop chasing static signature. Zero-day attack do not care about traditional firewall rule. That's why today I'm showing you how to build an AI-driven behavior-based intrusion detection system completely from scratch using an unsupervised installation forest model. Let's run it step by step right now on my machine. But first, this is my GitHub. Israel Van David. So if you go from here, there is all the detail about the project, so you can read and follow the instruction. But from this video, I will show you guys how to run this program. First, we're gonna activate our isolated virtual environment where our machine learning library live. Now we execute our network data generator. This simulates a live streaming network flow inside our enterprise network, blending standard employee behavior with a stealthy multi-target scanning attack pattern from external adversary. So next we're gonna perform our filter engineering. To the group those row connection into 1 minute tracking windows. Instead of relying on easily change IP, we model through structural behavior. Tracking things like connection velocity, unique destination port, and average bytes transferred per host, as what I can see. Now, for the machine learning logic, we feed our behavior windows into Scikit-Learn isolation forest model. This algorithm learns what a normal baseline looks like completely unsupervised, allowing it to isolate anomalous structural shift without needing an explicit signature. With our baseline established, we run our detection interference engine. It scores every single Windows, flag the statistical outlier, and inject human-readable explanation logic so the security analysts know exactly why the AI generated a high-risk alert. So let's continue. Finally, we expose our underlying machine learning engine use the high-performance FastAPI Backend server. Bring it our Python data pipe directly into an operational SOC panel. Let's check to our live alert endpoint, and boom. We're gonna click alert, then click try out, click execute, and highlight the JSON output with your mouse cursor. As you guys can see here, this is the result, the response body. So from there I can say that artificial intelligence is completely rewriting the rule of defensive security architecture. If you are watching this on Instagram, forget everything else and click on the link in my bio right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Linux Cybersecurity, where I break down the full project code and repository structure. Drop a comment down below if you are ready to ride this wave of AI security with me. Let me know who interested and let's get it.